What are you doing?
Hmm?
What are you doing?
I'm grabbing my car parts. I'm gonna put on my car.
You woke up early this morning.
Yeah, so I'm really excited.
Yeah.
I want to start the new year off with.
You're being a real charge this morning. You woke me up. Usually it's the other way around. Now you woke me up because you want to put on car parts. It's 7:40 in the morning.
Okay.
How's it feel? You are turning into a car girl.
Got him. We fucking got him.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
It's not her channel. But yes, welcome back. How's everybody been? I know I haven't been recording or posting for about 6 months. A lot has changed. I feel like y'all will understand though. It's all that later. But today it's all about this young lady right here.
Okay, enough of you.
I was talking about you.
Oh, well, that's enough. I appreciate it. So, we are here.
All right, we back. I'm sorry, I just did that.
You know what? We are here today to make my car fit in with all the other cars we have. I have a Hyundai Elantra 2021. Or no, I have a 22, right? Hyundai Elantra SEL. Now, it's
You
not
got
the
the
end.
premium.
I have premium SEL, yes. They don't make that trim model no more.
No, they don't.
The street car takeover sticker on the side, and that's not enough for her.
All right, what's the name of your front lip, or where'd you get your front lip and rear wing from?
Icon Motorsports. That's where he got it from. So this is the wing.
Carbon fibre.
Carbon fiber, yes. I don't know how that goes.
It's okay, baby. I'll help you out. We're gonna get it together. Bam. Bam. So essentially that is how it's gonna look on the front of her car, and then obviously that's the wing back there. Before we get to that, before we get to this, all right? Recap, babe. Recap. With my love. Recap. So, can you please tell the guys and females, we'll just go say family, where have I been, or what have we been doing for the past 6 months? What has been going on in our lives for the past 6 months as to why I have not posted a video or did anything?
A lot.
It's been a lot.
We kind of got engaged. I don't have my ring on because it's 7 a.m.
She don't love me. Yes, so we got engaged. So essentially a lot of funds were going to saving up for this one's ring. Took a little minute, you know.
Sorry, a girl likes diamonds. What can I say?
But essentially that's wherever all the funds have been going. So I haven't been buying any car parts for the G8 or the FRS. I still have that. So yeah. Oh, got a new place. So we are together and living together and everything. So it's just been a lot. It's been a lot past 6 months. Just getting a lot of stuff moving and getting done. But for the most part, we are now settled in, starting life together, and I'm happy. I'm happy.
We also wanted to take some time off for the holidays, spend some time with our families. And now that they're all gone back home, it's time to get back to what he does best.
Thanks, babe. Get in there and put the e-brake on. For y'all at home, if y'all Happened to buy this same front lip. This little nudge right here, or nub, goes into this slot. Yeah, this slot. So you'll put a screw in there and it's gonna secure it. So thank you, babe. Like that. All right. And then it'll be just like that. It'll be pieced together. Go.
Leave me alone. All right.
There you go, babe. There you go. All right. So you want to make sure that it's in the body line. There you go. I knew I taught you right.
I know what I'm doing.
You know what you're doing a little bit. Okay.
It's just first time accuracy. I gotta get it right in one take.
Okay. I love you.
I'm trying to focus here.
Babe, you got dirt on you. See, that's what I like to see. You got
These are
dirty.
new.
You got
and I'm mad
dirty
about
today.
that.
Babe.
I got these for Christmas.
Babe, this is life. This is the car life. You have clothes and you get them dirty.
Oh, look at the little puppy. It's a freak.
And we're looking at dogs now.
Okay,
All right, we'll be back once we put this on. That shit nice.